Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get into the terminal in Metro Exodus. First, you need to navigate to the correct in-game location where the terminal is situated. Look for environmental cues that indicate its presence. Once you are near, simply approach the terminal and press the interaction button, usually E on PC, to begin using it. This method is straightforward and requires no complex steps. To pinpoint the terminal's exact location, pay close attention to your current mission objectives. They often lead you directly to it. Don't hesitate to explore off the beaten path, as some terminals might be in less obvious spots. Your in-game map is a valuable tool, often highlighting important interactive elements or areas you need to visit. Remember, patience in exploration is key. Once you've found the terminal, walk up to it until you see the interaction prompt, which typically appears on your screen. Press the specified key, usually E or a similar action button, to open the terminal's interface. Inside, you can navigate through various options using your standard movement keys and select choices with your primary action button. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Always ensure you've completed any necessary preceding objectives, as some terminals are locked until certain story points are reached. Also, double-check your inventory for any specific items that might be required to activate or use the terminal. For more great tips and deals, including a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the description below this video. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.